Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text behind a moving object on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to use. I'll just select this one. Copy and paste your video. Whoops. And then on the second video, go to remove background and select auto removal. Oops. Select text and add in the text behind the object like so. Is it still loading? Why isn't it removing the background? It should be done. I can't see the text though. Okay, hold on. There must be an error because that should just work. Let's choose a different video. Hopefully this one works. Okay, there we go. And then we'll put that video underneath. Go to text and add in your default text underneath. And as you can see now, it's behind the moving object. I'm just going to type in ballerina. You can type in anything you want, of course. You can use any font you want. I'll just use like maybe this font here. It looks pretty cute. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.